Makhosi ngiyabingelela nina lapha emakhaya. To all of you viewers of Ikemi TV, to all of you that have subscribed, Umkhuseida Geza Lamashkrishkri Inyana Yama Kosi, and I welcome you guys, man. I always want to give away free things. I always want to help where I can, assist somebody without ukuthi bakhanyise, because isimo somnotho siqala. The economic condition in South Africa is quite tough. Sometimes by the hand of somebody you might be suffering financially. Sometimes by the hand of your own doings you might be suffering. And so we are tonight focusing on those that have been cursed. As you see, this is a segment, not a segment, but it's a continuation of the previous episode. How to identify if you've been cursed. Now, I want to give you a free ritual. The ritual in njengowazenzelwa yona khona lapha ekhaya ngezinto ezihlezi zikhona. I'm sure ningena babona abaprofeti basebenzisa amafanta namabisi. Guess about soft drinks and milk. So household items, depending on their composition as well, depending on their properties, can be used for spiritual rituals. Masihlanganisiwe ukuthi kube yinto eyokuvikela, which is what we are going to be actually discussing on this episode. They don't want you to know. Ngikhuluma manje ngeimpande ezimnyama. They don't want you to know ukuthi wena ulapha ekhaya ungazivikela against izandla zakho. Ngikhuluma manje ngokuthi abathakathi, they don't want you to know. They don't want you to know that this one simple protection ritual, ceremony or spell, whatever you want to call it, has been used across Africa. Now I want to pass it on to you. And bakwethu iyasebenza le. Ungacabanga ukuthi uhlezi udinga izinto ezijulile ukuthi uzivikele. Only in certain circumstances where it's been diagnosed by a spiritual healer. But if you are at home and we have blah 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 blah, this is a good ritual for you. Now, why is it essential? In African spirituality, there's a good percentage. I don't want to give out a number that's inaccurate, but you will never meet 20 people and not hear at least 2 stories of umuntu bekagarwa shawa nemithi. It's just the unfortunate reality of being an African ukuthi protection is not optional, it's mandatory. Wonke umuntu, to a certain degree, abantu abaningi, itingathi wonke umuntu, abantu abaningi know imithi. There is a majority of them that abasifihlayo abangafuni ukuthi nazi ukuthi they know imithi kodwa bayayazi. And so you find yourself dealing with izinto that are like jealousy, monitoring spirits, evil eye, curses, negative energies being sent to you. Twalisa ingane ezingcolile akutheology izinto ebhedayo njalo bakumbathisa isipoke sikulalayo wire izinto enjalo can block your energy and it can hamper your movement forward. Why is protection necessary? Because if you're spiritually open, especially in abantwana bomoya, you must know ukuthi you are at the whims of both the light and of the shadows of the dark. So naganjani, especially from Moya, you must have some form of protection, whether you bang and whether you have routines, spiritual hygiene routines, you must have a form of protection. And so I want to give you this ritual, guys. This ritual is for you. It's for you to not have to spend a cent, but to have some form of spiritual hygiene to help yourself. Amongst myriads of other things, any skipping, recipes, any fundisi. This one is essential because it is simple and effective. We are most of you have these things in order to do this ritual, okay? It's going to create a spiritual shield, and your room, the space which you're in, will also be protected. So basic ingredients, guys, you don't even need more than 5 of these things. All you're going to need on your side is grof salt. because rough salt purifies. Let me give you the spiritual properties of the rough salt, because people might hear rough salt, I have rough salt, I 70 minutes busy of rough salt. Rough salt has the property of purifying energy, blocks off negative energy. Ingakho uma bathi ungenelwa udikoloshe erumini bazothi thatha i-colored salt, whether it would be blue, red, orange, whatever, but uyifake ngaphansi kombhede or uyifake la nyawo. It repels low vibrational energies, and it is a purifier of the space and purifier of things, because it's connected to salt water, primarily the sea. Now, you will need holy ash or umlotha. This weekend you need to get loyo mlotha, or you will need holy ash, because it absorbs negative energy. Holy ash also absorbs negative energy. So mixing these two already will create iswasho bakwethu angifune geja. These two, rough salt and holy ash, are very, very useful household items for spiritual protection, because they cleanse and they block negative energy. If you also want, you can add eggshells. That one is not needed here. You also need water, and you're going to need a white cloth. Ngitholele indwangu emhlophe. Uma ususitholile lezo zinto, ke uyosho ukuthi ukhulekela ini, ukhulekela ukuthi kuvikeleke lendlu, ukhulekela ukuthi kuvikele wena, khona into ekulalayo ucela ukuthi bakuvikele kuyo. You just decide, your voice activates the ritual. Once uqala ungabi usastopa, khuleka gogo, ukhuleke. Most of these items you can get them, guys. The holy ash ungathola encane nge-5 rand, 10 rand. Just keep it on you for the sake of spiritual hygiene. Ungenzele kanje mkhulu. Ungenzele kanje, ungithathele utswayi, ungithathele ne-holy ash. Take the salt and the charcoal and place them into a small bowl. Bese ufaka amanzi wakho ngaphakathi, and then you will cover your head with the white cloth. So uzothatha isitsha, you take the bowl, you add the salt, you add the ash, you add water, and then you will cover your head over the bowl. Uzohlala, and you must breathe that in. Preferably try using amanzi that are steaming. So basically, you will cover your face and it will steam your face, and then once you have done this for, let's give or take 3 to 5 minutes, sitting in that silence, khuleka while your head is covered with this white cloth. Ukhulekele lento le odecide ukuthi khona into lokingilana ngicela ukuthi ngivikeleke, khona into lokingena la endlini ngicela ukuthi ingaloku ingene izulazula ifake izinto. Whatever you'll be praying for, which is a curse over you, this ritual will assist in removing it. And then umusuqeda ungithathele lamanzi, take this water and rub it lightly on your forehead. Uzogcoba la ikhanda, bese uzogcoba nesifuba, bese uzogcoba naseyinyaweni. You apply to the forehead, you apply to the chest, and you apply it eyinyaweni. When you're done, amanzi uyawathatha uyawachitha uhambe uyolala, ulale ngokuthula. Ngalokuhlukumezeka. You can do this, guys, many times as you want during the week. It continuously assists in protecting you against these minor things that we come across. Emsebenzini abantu bayaganga, when you come into your chair, umuntu ufike lapha waspraya noma wathimula lapha, thimulela le mithi le ayenzayo, wena wafika wahlala wazizwa sekubopheka amahlombe. This will protect you whenever you feel vulnerable, whenever you're having a strange dream, whenever you have an encounter with somebody, after now you can do this ritual to protect yourself, guys, before job interviews. Before uphume uyohlangana nomuntu wakho, yenza ukuthi ukhanye uma bazama ukunchitha, uma bakufaka isichitho. You can do it before spiritual work ukuthi usihlambulule as well. So that now ungafiki lapha ugadlwe ngemithi uthi uzogeza abantu abagadlwe ngemithi cha. You must be clean in order to be able to clean people. You can do it weekly, you can do it daily, it's up to you. But for general protection, use this. Abanye abantu have done this ritual by which, and they had been experiencing blockages they've been experiencing non-stop spiritual attacks, and bayasho ukuthi yendoda, after I did what you told me, yazi ngiphuphe umuntu bengihlale ngihamba naye, umuntu engimthembile, in fact 2 friends, and it turns out behind me they conspire ukuthi bangimoshele izinto, bathi ngiyazitshela it'll stop spiritual attacks. If umuntu okhanywayo ebusuku, uma ukhanya umuntu uvula amehlo kancane, uyayibona ingungumbani lapha ekhoneni, shaqo kokugcina khuphuke yonke into. So you can do it to assist you in that way, guys. People have given testimonies, they've confessed in tears. I didn't think it was this simple. So that's how it is, guys. So try this tonight, try this any other day. When you've tried it, if you see a difference, if you're one of the people mentioned here, go ahead into the comment section and tell me how you felt. Tell me if it jabulisile. Tell me if ayizange isebenze, ungene, praise me, and tell me thank you Nkulu for helping me out with this free ritual, because it actually works. But where to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Here are my social media channels. Subscribe and follow me on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok. Crusader igedla lamashishri inyanga yamakhosi ngithi ngiyaziyehlisa phambi kwenu egameni likaMveli Ncane. Ngiyasithoba. Amen.